Long time no see, man.
Yes, how are you?
I want to buy this one.
Yes.
New one.
Yes.
How much is it?
175. 175.
And the Portra 400, please.
Okay, no worries. And I can give you 2 batteries for that too.
Thank you. I thought I need to buy some.
No.
But it'll be fun for you.
And can I pay with the cash?
Yes. At the moment, the Commonwealth Bank is not working on this machine, so there's a problem.
It's alright for me.
Yes, yes. So let me write this here. Point and shoot. 175.
Because the
Yeah, and the Portra.
Yeah, 35. So hence 210.
You're buying it for a friend.
Yeah.
the digital sensor.
Nice.
Actually, I don't have a friend. I just use this one
yourself?
for the street photography. I use the film camera in Korea 10 years, but I operate in here because it's too expensive, right? So I bought it the digital, but nowadays I'm missing the film. That's why I'm coming.
Okay. So altogether 210.
Yep.
I'll get you some batteries.
Yeah. Thanks.
This one.
절대 스트레스 받아서 산 거 아닙니다. Mom, can I try to open now?
Yes.
I don't think
Can I take a video with this one?
Yes.
I have a CCTV. That's maybe 14 years old.
If you're on my camera, I can blur your.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, that's okay.
Sell it now. The only way you can is probably Googling it rather than go into this. But
But must use flash, yeah?
Yeah.
Can I help you?
Oh, yeah, I know how to use this.
Put the batteries in?
Yeah, I already.
Oh, you already did it. Sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
works out really valuable.
The Commonwealth Bank works on the computer, but not through the bin.
Oh, so it's not working on there either?
No.
So it's not machined.
It's not working.
The Commonwealth Bank, yeah, something's wrong
Oh.
here with the payments. So let's see if there's an outage.
Mom, I bring the medium format camera when I come in here from the South Korea, but that is Hasselblad 500 cm, but it's broken because I don't know how to pack in my bag,
Okay.
so it's broken. So I dropped it.
You dropped it.
Yeah, because the body is broken like this. With my digital camera, the Canon 5D2, that also broke.
You have insurance? Did you have insurance?
No, we don't have.
You don't have travel insurance.
Yeah,
Oh.
we don't have in Korea the insurance.
So they did it inside the bag. It
Yeah.
broke inside.
Yeah,
They just.
that's why it's broken. So I just throw it, and I'm still missing the medium format.
Yes.
But the small
one is okay.
It's
It's
still okay.
Okay. The Commonwealth Bank's got an issue today. It's not going through the vending machine, but it's going through the Commonwealth. So it's not going through the vending machine. Commonwealth Banks. People that are paying this with Apple, it's not. press this one. One.
Maybe one more.
Yeah. One more. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then you have the distance and the for portraits.
Yeah. This is the portrait,
Portrait,
right?
that's correct. And you've got it on no flash, so yeah, that's it, you know. You know.
Automatic.
Yes, yes.
And the first one is for me.
I'll take it
Yeah,
of you.
thank you.
Yeah, why not? With your gear. Portrait. 1, 2, 3. Very
Thanks.
nice. Number 1.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
I'll buy one more.
One
The
more
film.
Yeah, yeah.
Maybe for extra.
For extra. Take it out.
The next one is cheaper.
Yeah. No, that's okay.
The first one, we
want a
need to
good
put
one.
the expensive one, right?
Why not? It makes you happy, that's all it
Yeah.
matters, really.
I feel happy now
Yeah.
with my new film.
$36.
Thanks.
All right, thank you.
I tried. For buying new medium format camera.
That's right. You
Yeah.
use it. Well, you have to. You play with it a little bit, sell it, and buy another one.
Yeah.
Another baby.
I want.
You enjoy your afternoon.
Yeah, thank you. Have a good day.